Hey guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Hope you guys are having a great day so far. Today's video is on red lipsticks. So I'm going to show you different tones of red lipsticks which you may consider if you want to buy red lipsticks for yourself. We'll see cool toned red lipsticks, warm toned, neutral red lipsticks, and we will see which kind of makeup looks go well together with these kind of lipsticks. And at the end of the video I will also give you some options of red lipsticks which are red but they are not exactly your true red lipsticks, and those are honestly my favorite kind of red lipsticks. So without much further ado, let's quickly get started with today's video. Okay, let's start this video with some cool toned red lipsticks. These are classics which everybody loves. This is the first one which I have in my collection and I just love it. It's one of the first lipsticks I had purchased. Sephora Cream Lip Stain in the shade 01. This is one lipstick which started this makeup journey for me. I loved this lipstick so much that I got curious and wanted to know more about makeup. So this is a classic blue toned red shade. It basically complements every kind of skin tone. If you're looking for that classic true red, this is something you can have in your collection. It's a very comfortable formula as well. For this kind of cool toned lipstick, I prefer a more neutral, very simple makeup look, maybe with a wing liner. Today I have done a wing liner and I have just a very simple matte brown look, a little bit of a smoky brown look. I have a pink toned blush. I wanted to go for a more glowy look, so I have a glowy blush or a cream blush. I have used this Danessa Myricks palette and have used this shade right here, which is a nice pink, so a cool toned pink shade, and of course the red lipstick, little bit of bronzing, and that's about it. Very simple, very easy, very classic, and very festival appropriate as well. Another shade which is very similar to the first shade, Sephora Cream Lip Stain in 01, is this Pat McGrath lipstick, the MatteTrance lipstick in the shade Elson. So this is also a blue toned red lipstick which looks flattering on every kind of skin tone. The next two cool toned red lipsticks are a little bit deeper in tone and probably that's why I love them the most as well. This is the first one, which is a cool toned cranberry red lipstick from Ofra. I have the shade Ofra liquid lipstick in the shade Milan, and it's a beautiful deep red with a cranberry tone. Isn't this just a gorgeous shade of red? I just love this one. It's one of my favorite red lipsticks in my collection. This one is the last one of the cool toned red lipsticks category. I have the Sephora Cream Lip Stain in the shade 94, and this is a cherry red lip color. I think it looks gorgeous. It is a deep red but with a hint of that bright cherry pinkish red tone, and if you apply it subtly as a stain, it will almost look like a dark pink. Okay, now let's look at some warm toned red lipsticks. For warm toned shades, this is the kind of makeup look which I usually go for. So today I have done a bronzy eye makeup, and sometimes I also do like a brown smoky eye. I think both of these looks go really well with warm toned red lipstick, and they're very easy and quick to do usually. So today I have the Natasha Denona Bronze Eye Palette. I have used some of these shades, this one, and this one, to create this eye look. So usually with bronzy eye and warm red lipstick, I will recommend like a peachy toned, like a peach or a light coral blush like this. So today I have this one, which is like a peachy coral blush, and I have a light layer of it. Don't go heavy on the blush. And I have bronzed my face a little bit, and that's about it. It's a very easy and quick simple look. And this is the first warm toned red lipstick which I have. This is a bright warm red lipstick. This is from the Maybelline brand, the Maybelline SuperStay Matte Inks in the shade Pioneer. This is a classic warm toned bright red lipstick which goes well with Indian outfits, Indian weddings, Indian events. Anywhere you want to have like a nice bright red lip, you can go for this one. So today I'm wearing an Indian outfit. festive season is coming up, so these are perfect lipsticks for festive season. The next warm toned lipstick category which I'm showing you are orange toned red lipsticks. This is one which I have. I think since I have this one, I haven't really gravitated towards any other orange toned red lipstick because I love this one so much. It's the shade Maybelline again, the Maybelline SuperStay Matte Ink in the shade Ambitious. This range of Maybelline lipsticks, I think they came out with some red lipsticks in different tones, and I think I got a lot of shades in that range, and after that I didn't really buy any red lipsticks because they are so good. So this is a really good shade, Ambitious. You can look out for red lipsticks which have a nice orange tone to it. With this, the bronze eye makeup also looks pretty nice, but I will personally prefer a brown smoky eye. The next category is corally or pink toned red lipsticks. I don't have too many in this category, but I still have one, and it used to be one of my favorites few years back. This is the shade which I'm wearing. This is a L'Oreal Colorish Matte in the shade Lincoln Rose. I'm not sure if you can get this anymore. It has a slight hint of that pinky coraliness to it. It is a nice bright lipstick, and this lipstick looks so good even without any kind of makeups. Just some liner, mascara, and this lipstick, and you're all set. Okay guys, we are down to my favorite kind of warm toned red lipsticks. Lipsticks which have a tinge of brown in them, and this is one such lipstick which I love. This is also from Maybelline, the Maybelline SuperStay Matte Ink, the red range. It is so awesome. This is the shade Dauntless, which has a tinge of brown, but it's still very red. It's not a brownish red. It's sort of a red with a little bit of brown in it. If you're close to my skin tone, if you have tan skin tone, definitely look out for lipstick shades like this. I have another shade in this brownish or reddish brown kind of categories. This is the shade Groundbreaker. This is also a very beautiful shade from Maybelline. This is a more deeper red. Dauntless shade is a little bit deeper. This is lighter, but both have a tinge of brown in them. Let's go to the next category of warm toned red shades. This is the one which is, I think, my favorite tone of warm toned red shades. Like the first one which I showed you, which was warm toned brighter red shade, this is a warm toned deeper red shade. This is a deep crimson shade which I think looks flattering on all kind of skin tones. The shade name is Guinevere. I don't know how to pronounce it. This is from McGrath Labs. They're MatteTrance lipsticks. The lipstick bullet has kind of fallen off, so I will be very careful, but this is how this shade looks like. It's a deeper warm toned red lipstick. It's a deep crimson shade. Okay guys, so after cool and warm toned red lipsticks, let's move on to some neutral ones which are neither cool nor warm. They are somewhere in between, and they work well on every kind of skin tone. And if you don't like red lipsticks, you may like these kind of red lipsticks. So this is the first one which I'm wearing. This is from the brand Faces. This is an Indian brand, but I have seen this on Amazon website here as well. So you can get this shade. This is the shade Midnight Rose, and this is the matte lip crayon. It gives a nice matte look. Any kind of lipstick which falls in, you know, the mauvey reds or pinky reds, wine red, or say berry red, I will say these are sort of like neutral toned lipsticks. I can't really place them in cool toned or warm toned. For this kind of a neutral red lipstick tone, I am wearing a smoky eye, a neutral taupey smoky eye, not too much eye makeup, and I'm wearing a very neutral sort of a blush. It's a mauvey blush, not too much. So my focus is on the eyes and on the lips in this kind of a look. I've kept my skin pretty glowy and not too much coverage, very light kind of makeup. And I think this goes really well for any sort of nighttime functions. This is the next tone of red lipstick which I really love. This is a red lipstick with a slight bit of berry tone. You can call this as a berry red lipstick, and this is from L'Oreal. By the way, L'Oreal Colorish Matte Lipsticks, they are one of my favorite drugstore lipstick formula. They're just so good. But I don't think you can get this color anymore, or you can get this color but this color is not this name anymore. This was launched in Singapore. I'm not really sure if you can get this in US, but anyways, I just wanted to show you the color and give you an option that you can go for shades which are this berry red. The shade name is called Sleek Dominance. It's a beautiful tone. I can't get enough of this lipstick. I love this lipstick shade so much that I have kept it. This is quite old. It has not got bad or anything, so I can still use it. It's still really pigmented. It wears so nicely. It's hydrating. It has argan oil in it, I think. And these are one of the best lipsticks L'Oreal had launched. Okay guys, before I end this video, I wanted to give you some more options of red lipsticks. These are lipsticks which are not actually truly red. They have a reddish tone, but they are mixed in with some other colors and they make this beautiful lipstick which is perfect for everyday. They are more muted and very wearable, and honestly these are some of my favorite lipsticks which have a slight reddish tone to them. The first one is definitely the Lisa Eldridge Velvet Myth, which is a beautiful red with a berry tone. It is a very muted red with more of berry in it, and it just looks so beautiful. The formula is amazing. Whenever I wear this, I feel like I'm wearing a red lipstick, but it's not true red, not too red. It's just a perfect amount of red that I like. Very similar to the Lisa Eldridge Velvet Myth lipstick is this one from Bobbi Brown. The Bobbi Brown lipstick in the shade Burnt Cherry. These are the Luxe Matte Lip Color. This shade also, I'm not too sure if you can get it right now. The next lipstick is a NARS Audacious lipstick in the shade Audrey. This is a perfect red for someone who doesn't like to wear reds. This is a muted, warm, reddish lipstick with a lot of mauve and brown in it and a hint of pink. It's a very unique shade. I seriously don't know how to describe this color. I hope they don't discontinue this line. I hear that NARS Audacious lipsticks are getting discontinued. I just hope that they bring this color back because this color is just gorgeous for every day. And the last lipstick in this category, in the muted wearable red lipstick category, is this one from Charlotte Tilbury. This is the shade Walk of No Shame. Beautiful muted red color with a hint of brown and little bit of that caramel tone to it. This color is just perfect for every day. I have really used up my lipstick bullet. I have used up so much. I have to get a new one pretty quickly. Super hydrating formula. Okay guys, so that's it for today's video. I really hope you found this video helpful and got an idea of different tones of red lipsticks that you could buy. Usually what I do, I will search that tone, what I want, the color what I want on Google search, and I'll get that color image, and then I usually compare it with the swatches of the lipsticks on the brand's website and try to see how close that color matches that lipstick swatch, and I try to get an idea if that color is, you know, going to work out for me or not. So you could probably also do that. These are the different red color categories you can look into. And yeah, that's it for today's video guys. I hope it was helpful. If it was helpful, then please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you're watching me for the first time, I really hope you'll consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you again really soon in my next video. Bye.